Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a sheet from a template here in Smartsheet. All right, so first off, log into your Smartsheet account and just go ahead and click on the plus sign right here, okay, or the create button in the left panel. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, here you have some templates. But if you want to, you can go ahead and click on View All Templates to check out Smartsheet's available templates, okay? Now, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select all templates. Now, just select one. For example, we have this strategic plan. Just click on it and just click on Create from Template. Wait for it to load. Now in here, you just go ahead and start inviting people that you want to work with in this particular template. Okay, if not, just click on X. And in here, as you can see, by default, you will be given a sheet. Okay, as you can see, we have in this particular template, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now, if you want to create your own sheet, you can just easily click on Add to Workspace right here. Click on it, hover your mouse on the sheet, and you can go ahead and select the specific view. And don't worry if you selected grid right now, you can just easily change it to Gantt timeline and board later on. Okay. For example, I'm going to go ahead and create a grid view. Okay. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, here you have your new sheet. Okay. Now, if you want to know how to connect from one sheet to another, you can go ahead and check our videos in the channel. We have a ton of Smartsheet tutorials, okay? And if you want to as well, you can just easily rename these individual sheets, but just click on the 3 dots, hit on rename, and name it what you want. And there you have it. That is how you create a sheet from a template here in Smartsheet. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.